So now we're going to look at how this links to the pH scale. Okay, now you've seen the pH scale before. I don't have a picture of one, but I can just get one online. I think I brought one up before. No, that's not it. That's not it there. Okay, so we've got a picture here of the pH scale. So if you can just find one online, that would be useful, just to become familiar with the fact that acidic is this end of the scale, and acidic substances have a pH of 0 to 6. Alkaline substances are at this end of the scale, or also you can also say basic substances are at this end of the scale, from pH 8 to 14. Alkaline substances, or basic, basically we're using the word alkaline and basic together, they always show up as purple or blue if you put them with a universal indicator. Acidic substances will go yellow or red or orangey. Okay? The important thing to remember though is the pH, the lower the number, the more acidic it is. Okay, so sometimes people get that confused because they think if something's very acidic, it must be a high number. No, acidic is low, alkaline is high, a high pH. Neutral is what we would consider to be, for example, water or salt, which we'll go on to discuss afterwards. So now, obviously, we're not in the lab, so I can't give you a great example, but you know that we've done these experiments before where we've tried to create a rainbow. As we're not in the lab, I'm just going to have to use household stuff. If I put a little bit of vinegar here, and I'm going to put a little bit of laundry powder, which is alkaline on that end, and then in the middle I'll put a little drop of water. Going in the middle. Okay. I'm just doing a video. Then I've got some universal indicator. I'm going to put a drop in the acid, a couple of drops in the water, a couple of drops on the washing powder. You might not be able to see from the video that it looks sort of black probably to you, but that has gone purple. So if we pretend that this is an imaginary now pH scale, you can see that would be pH 7, that might be pH 1 to 2 maybe, and that looks like a strong purple actually, so that would be pH 14. And then obviously we can get all the in-between colours. If we made it weaker, we would bring it down to maybe a pH 10. If we made our acid stronger, we could make it even redder, it would be pH 1 or pH 0, or we could make it a weak acid. A weak acid might be something like lemon juice or something, that might be more of an orangey yellow colour, which would go here.